Thank you for choosing the PureDrop US12P inline water filter. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Before we start, please ensure all parts are included in your water filter's package and that you have all the necessary tools ready. The system design fits common 1/2" and 9/16" NPT. A conversion fitting may be needed if you have a different size connection. Contact us if you have any product or installation-related questions. Installation. PureDrop inline filter is designed for under-sink use. Please clean out the space under the sink before installation. Step 1. Unwrap the filter cartridge. Fully insert the hose with female connector to the inline filter water inlet port. Insert a C-clip to secure the connection. Step 2. Fully insert the hose with male connector to the inline filter water outlet port. Insert a C-clip to secure the connection. Use the included bushing to convert the connector size down from 1/2" to 9/16", or size up from 9/16" to 1/2" if needed. Step 3. Shut off the cold water valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out any air and water in the hose. Unscrew the faucet connector hose from the cold water valve. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the hose with a towel. Step 4. Connect the unit's inlet connector to the cold water valve and the outlet connector to the faucet hose. Step 5. Install the mounting bracket to desired location and clamp the inline filter in place. Use the included adhesive mounting pads to secure the brackets if needed. Step 6. Turn on the cold water valve and check for any leaks. Run water from the faucet for 5 minutes to rinse the filter cartridge. At first, the water may appear dark, but it will clear up as the loose carbon is flushed out. The installation is now complete. Filter replacement. Step 1. Shut off the cold water valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out any air and water in the hose. Step 2. Remove the filter from the mounting clamp. Remove the C-clips from the filter inlet and outlet connections. Use the included quick connect removal tool to press down the connector collar and pull out the inlet and outlet hoses. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the head unit with a towel. Step 3. Unwrap the new filter and reinstall the hoses to the inlet and outlet connectors. Insert C-clips to secure connections. Snap the filter back to the mounting bracket. Step 4. Turn on the cold water valve and check for any leaks. Run water from the faucet for 5 minutes to rinse the filter cartridge. At first, the water may appear dark, but it will clear up as the loose carbon is flushed out. Filter replacement is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you.